Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a classic yet highly effective exercise, the close grip bench press. If you're looking to take your triceps and overall upper body strength to the next level, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, let me show you the right way to perform the close grip bench press. Lie down on a bench and grip the barbell with your hands placed closer together than usual. This narrower grip targets those triceps. As you lower the barbell to your chest, keep your elbows tucked in. Push the barbell back up, focusing on your triceps doing the work. To make the most of your close grip bench press, let's go over a few tips. First, ensure your wrists are straight and aligned with your forearms to avoid strain. Second, keep your back flat on the bench and your core engaged. This provides a stable base for the movement and minimizes unnecessary strain. Lastly, control the descent and ascent of the barbell. A controlled movement allows you to engage your triceps effectively. Let's address some common mistakes. Avoid flaring your elbows out during the exercise. This shifts the focus away from your triceps. Keep your elbows close to your body. Also, don't bounce the barbell off your chest. This momentum takes away from the muscle engagement. Aim for a controlled touch and go. By paying attention to these details, you'll be well on your way to mastering the close grip bench press. Now, if you're a beginner, start with a lighter weight to focus on your form. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the weight while maintaining proper technique. Remember, quality reps are more important than quantity. Focus on that mind-muscle connection and really feel those triceps working. Ready to put your knowledge into action? Let's head over to the bench and get that triceps pump. There you have it, the ultimate guide to close grip bench press. Strengthen your triceps and boost your overall upper body strength with this powerful exercise. Drop a comment below to let us know how you're incorporating close grip bench press into your routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more workout tips and techniques. Keep pushing, keep challenging yourself, and keep achieving those fitness goals. See you in the next video.